To set up a speed dial or soft key, just hold down the button that you want to change. Select the option that you need. In this case, we'll go for a speed dial. Keep it as line 1. Set the label to whatever you like. And then change the value to the number that you wish to dial. In this case, we'll do 1001. Now whenever you press this button, it will call the number that you need. For an internal call, we recommend changing this to BLF. And just set the extension to the same as the value. This way you can see when the caller is free or when they're unavailable.